Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to another session of our English class. Children, we all know there are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These months have different character and different nature. Many changes are occur during this month. And we have 4 seasons based on these months. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Children, have you ever noticed the changes in nature, especially climate changes? Children, today we are going to learn our reader book, a poem named The Months, written by Christina Rossetti. Full name Christina Georgina Rossetti. One of the most important of English women poets both in range and quality. She excelled in works of fantasy, in poems for children, and in religious poetry. In this poem, The Months, the poet describes the 12 different months of a year and tells us what happens in each month. Children, let's see what happens in each month.
Months. January, cold, desolate. February, all dripping wet. March, wind ranges. April, changes. Birds sing in tune to flowers of May. And sunny June brings longest day. In scorched July, the storm clouds fly. Lightning torn, August bears corn. September, fruit. In rough October, earth must disrobe her. Stars fall and shoot in keen November. And night is long and cold is strong in bleak December.
In this poem, she calls January as a cold, lonely month. Here, the poet used the word desolate to describe the weather of January month. It leaves on us a picture of freezing temperature and emptiness of the landscape. It shows the inhospitable atmosphere of January weather. She calls February as a rainy month because dripping wet. So, February as a rainy month. March wind ranges, April changes. In these lines, the poetess gives a vivid description of the months March and April. She says in March we witness that the wind is blowing in its full of fervor and all the leaves of the trees starts shaking and trembling due to fearful wind. It is a windy month, whereas in April we see that the weather starts changing and it is the beginning of the spring season. This month welcomes people with the song of birds. In May, flowers bloom in full swing. Flowers bloom in full swing in May, whilst June is a sunny month with the longest day. In July, stormy clouds with lightning flashes. August bears corn, September fruit. She calls August and September are harvest months. August is the time for the harvest of some golden corn, and September brings the fruit. Now listen the next stanza. In rough October, earth must disturb her. Stars fall and shoot in keen November. Here the poet says, earth must disturb her, means become bare because of the trees shedding their leaves. And the poetess says that in the month of November, the sky looks very sharp and it is full of stars. No clouds can be seen, so she thought that the event of shooting stars might take place in this month. In December, cold is strong. In bleak December, bleak means cold, dull and colorless. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.